You know what goes with funerals when it's going through there, right? Police.
That wasn't the issue, sir. We weren't prepared or planning for anyone from the Spanish Town crew in the center.
And we especially didn't expect them to engage anybody.
Because I was there when Bossy told them that to give us a week because we're going to run an operation.
Murphy's Law. What could go wrong will go wrong. And apparently did go wrong. But that is usually covered by a contingency plan. You did have one of those, right? Don't all answer at once, As a matter of fact, I think the leader should get a chance to answer.
Because the ops was straightforward, I didn't put a contingency plan in place.
Even though you told them that you would email or WhatsApp the contingency plan to them, let me guess. You ran out of data.
Sir, I take full responsibility.
Oh, if it were only that easy. Let's work it out. There is Butcher, who decided to live up to his name. Stab up the youth. Hittis. El Greco, the leader. Vicious, who call on crowd pon the man. Oh yes. All of you involved, Because if it weren't for Uno, the poor youth wouldn't have been there. So how do I explain to the people at the detention center and think that I took him out of their safe facility so I could carry him to Spanish Town so he could dead? You have any idea what went wrong, Mr. Second in Command?
Sir, these are the things that we weren't prepared for. Chase trailing Roberto. Vicious in the town center. Raise an alarm and call Itis and Butcher attention.
All this lovely effort going on. And no notice what go on?
As the overseer, I saw everything, and we didn't want to blow our cover, so we're cautiously moving.
And whilst you were there observing, they were busily stabbing him up. Which is more important? Your cover or the safety of the operative?
The safety of the operative, sir.
You smell that? You smell it? That's a ton load of shit you put us in. But it's not all bad. You have managed to apprehend two people. One seems to be the mastermind and the other is second in command. And knock wood, Roberto hasn't died. But tell me something. What you suggest we do with Butcher and crew?
Sir, I think Butcher should be brought to justice. The fact that him personally tell me say, anytime him hold anybody with the phone grabbing, I'm gonna deal with them himself. And we have spoken to them more than once.
Sir, I agree as well.
I'm so happy we're all on the same page. Now let's try to get on the same line. Okay. We're going to arrest Butcher on a charge of wounding with intent. One problem. We have to keep Roberta out of it. So that immediately removes the complainant and the victim.